Hey everyone, today I'm going to be converting this cigar box into a beautiful plein air painting box. Well, functional anyway. So yeah, let me go ahead and convert this and then we'll be venturing out into the wild to test it out. So this is my setup, which I decided to keep fairly simple. The bottom of the box will act as a storage for paint tubes, and then this piece of cardboard will act as both a pallet and then also a tray. I'm just going to cover this cardboard with a piece of pallet paper that I cut out, and then my painting surface, which is a old scrap masonite board, will get clamped to the back of it. And then when I'm done, simply remove everything, throw this out, lay this down, put the painting down flat, good to go. And we are now at the painting location. So next step is to choose a painting spot, and I have chosen to paint this full barn structure thing. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I made it back to the studio, and now I will be doing a follow-up on everything. So overall, I think it went well. My concerns with it were the clamps were kind of annoying. This pallet was a little bit annoying when it was windy. It started to bounce around. I thought it was actually gonna fly away at one point. My biggest problem with it was probably the fact that once the painting was done, it had to lay flat in the box. If I was hiking around, I couldn't just throw this in my backpack, or else I would hit the front of it and smear it. Overall, I was pretty happy with it. For a box that I put together in 10 to 15 minutes, couldn't really ask for much more. In the future, I would like to get a little bit more fancy with it. As far as modifications go, I'd like to replace this hinge in some way, and then have some kind of slot I can just throw the thing into, so I can just close it, open it, no worries about it falling out, and then no need for clamps. And then obviously modify or improve the pallet in some way so it doesn't fly away. And that's pretty much it.